Warning, if you skip starting seeds indoors this August, your fall garden could be a total bust. But here's the game changer, a simple strategy to grow 3 times more vegetables with no extra effort. Hello, fellow gardeners! If you've been thinking the gardening season is coming to a close, think again. August is actually one of the best times to set yourself up for a lush, productive fall garden, all from the comfort of your home. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through how to start your seeds indoors the smart way so that you can enjoy stronger plants, bigger harvests, and less stress later on. Ready to outsmart the seasons? Let's get started! Winter garden. While the outdoor heat can still be intense, starting your seeds indoors right now gives your plants a head start without battling harsh conditions. As the days grow shorter and nights begin to cool, seedlings flourish in a stable indoor environment. By the time they're ready to move outside, the worst of the summer stress has passed, and the soil is still warm enough to encourage rapid growth. You'll also avoid the frenzy of spring planting and enjoy crisp, fresh greens when most gardeners are packing up for the season. It's like unlocking a bonus harvest just by planting smart in August. Selecting the right seeds for your August starts. Not all seeds are created equal, especially when planting in August. This is the time to focus on cool season crops that actually thrive as temperatures begin to drop. Think tender leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale, or hardy favorites like broccoli and cauliflower. These plants love cooler weather and will be ready to harvest just as fall sets in. Be sure to check the days to maturity on your seed packets to choose varieties that will reach harvest before the first frost. And here's a quick pro tip. Stagger your plantings every 1 to 2 weeks to keep a steady supply of fresh harvests going well into the season. Starting seeds indoors might sound a bit advanced, but it's actually very manageable once you get a few key elements right. First and foremost, light. Seedlings need plenty of it. Aim for 12 to 14 hours of bright light each day. A basic grow light works great, but a sunny windowsill can also do the job. Next is temperature. Keep your seed trays in a warm spot, ideally between 70 Fahrenheit and 75 Fahrenheit, about 21 to 24 Celsius, which is the ideal range for fast, healthy germination. And don't overlook humidity. Young seedlings thrive in a moist environment, so either use a humidity dome or mist them regularly to keep the air comfortably damp. Once this simple indoor setup is in place, you'll see stronger, more resilient seedlings that are well prepared for the transition outdoors. When your seedlings have grown a few sets of true leaves and look sturdy, it's time to begin the move to the garden. But take it slow. They'll need a little conditioning first. Start by placing them outdoors in a shaded, protected area for a few hours each day, gradually increasing their time in sun exposure over the course of a week. This process, known as hardening off, helps prevent transplant shock and builds resilience. Before planting, prepare your garden bed by adding compost or a balanced fertilizer to ensure a nutrient-rich foundation. And here's a golden rule: always transplant in the evening or on a cloudy day. That way, your young plants avoid the stress of direct midday sun immediately after being moved. Handle them with care and they'll reward you with strong, vigorous growth in no time. Now that your seedlings are in the ground, it's time to help them thrive through the hottest stretch of the season. First up,
Water wisely.
give your garden a deep soak early in the morning so the moisture reaches the roots and doesn't evaporate in the midday sun. Next, apply a layer of mulch. It helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and stabilize soil temperature, 3 big wins in summer gardening. And don't let pests catch you off guard. Inspect your plants regularly for warning signs like chewed leaves or sticky residue. Catching issues early means you can act quickly before any serious damage sets in. With just a bit of daily attention, your garden will stay strong, healthy, and productive even when August brings the heat. And there you have it. Starting seeds indoors in August might just be the smartest gardening decision you make all year. With the right timing, a simple setup, and consistent care, you'll be well on your way to a lush, vibrant fall garden without the usual stress. If this video gave you a boost of confidence for your late season planting, hit that subscribe button and stick around for more. And tell me in the comments, Why are you starting indoors this August? I'd love to know.